A few moments ago, I was talking how we can use the OpenAI API to classify some text into a set of categories. Well, OpenAI allows taking sentiment analysis even further. Sentiment analysis, let me just define it for a second, is a natural language processing technique that is used to determine and extract emotional tone or sentiment expressed in text data. Sentiment analysis involves analyzing a piece of text, such as a review, tweet, article, or comment, and determine whether the expressed sentiment is positive, negative, neutral, or falls into more fine grained categories like happiness, sadness, anger, and so on and so forth. There are plenty of applications of sentiment analysis, for example, social media monitoring, that is used to analyze sentiments expressed on social media platforms like Twitter, that's X, and Facebook to understand public opinion, track trends, and measure brand perception. Also for product service reviews, which allows you to measure customer satisfaction and make improvements. Then market research to assess market trends and make investment decisions. Then customer support that allows you to categorize customer inquiries and feedback as positive or negative to prioritize responses. Then political analysis, which is very important, tracking and analyzing sentiment around political figures, parties, and issues during, before, or after elections. And of course, brand management, monitoring online mentions and assessing the sentiment of brand related conversations. Having said that, let me show you with a demo. Here's the demo that I have prepared, sentiment analysis, which as usual starts with the same things. Assuming the library is there, import it, the key, and then the function to make the call that receives a prompt. And in here, what I'm going to add is a list of texts that have been extracted from social media posts. Some of them are pretty good, like I'm overjoyed. I just received the best news of my life. Others, not so much. Feeling really sad today. I miss my old friends a lot. Let's use sentiment analysis to see which emotions are being conveyed in these messages. So the prompt is the following. Analyze the sentiment of the following customer posts and provide a base sentiment label like happy, angry, etc. So there it is. I make the call. And next to each one of these posts, you have the emotion happy, angry, sad, and so on and so forth. And there it is, sentiment analysis. If you can integrate it into your applications, I'm pretty sure you can enhance them